What is it? Oh, it's so early.
I don't feel very well.
Well, you don't look too well either.
Yes, get up, please.
Amelia.
Yeah.
You have
Amelia,
to...
wake up!
Oh, Emily, don't be so mean, okay? Okay, everyone go to your shower. Amelia, you can be in the hot tub, and Evelyn, you can have your little bathtub. Bella's stinky as well.
Oh wait, isn't today house looking day?
Yeah, it is, and we're gonna have to go across country, so unfortunately Belle can't come with us. And if we find a house where Belle isn't gonna be here for a while.
Amelia, hi, look.
Hey, you're
Hi.
still stinky. Get back in the shower.
Fine, I'll go back in. Only because you're making me. I don't feel well.
I'll cook you some breakfast.
Okay.
Are you all clean yet? Why are you not like cleaning? Wait, go in the thing. You're not cleaning, which I don't know why, but anyways. Right, come on. Ah, life.
I need a shower.
Go in the shower. Okay. Are you all clean? Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay, girls, come downstairs for breakfast then. Let's go make some breakfast.
Okay.
By the way, we literally moved into this house like a month ago, so it's not done up at all. So, if you're wondering why.
Yes, I don't see why we have to go look at houses today in a complete, like, overseas.
Well, you're just gonna have to, okay?
It's just fine. What if you have moments that aren't good?
Just eat them, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna eat them. Got Belle.
You don't need Belle, she can't come with us.
I know, but the babysitter's not gonna get her. Let me put her watching TV.
The animal sitter.
Ow, ow, ow! Emily, you need to learn.
Okay, just.
Okay, American sister.
If you're wondering where we are right now, we're in America. So we're gonna be moving into California. Okay, grab Belle.
What?
Grab Belle.
Okay,
I'll
okay,
just
you get
grab
that.
you,
I can't carry her.
What?
I can't carry her. I'm too little. My arms are weak.
You're a very heavy baby, you know that.
Yeah, eat.
Oh my god!
Oh, there's the
Amazing!
babysitter. Unicorn.
Oh look, it's a babysitter.
Hello, babysitter. Can you please watch our unicorn while we go?
Yes. Okay, well, I guess we're heading out. Let's get the car. Okay, is everyone in?
Yeah.
Amelia, can you get off my shoulders, please? And sit in the car, because that's not very good. Okay. I don't know how to drive.
Oh, this has been such a long ride. When are we nearly at the airport?
Oh my god. We're almost there, okay? I just can't drive properly with this thing. Okay, well, I guess this is it. You
I
ready?
knew getting into like the country like would have been a good idea, but instead we had to move all the way up there. Now I'm really tired.
Okay, let's go. Okay guys, we've arrived.
I really don't want to be here.
Well, it's gonna have to be what it is, okay?
What if I get lost?
If you get lost, well, that happens.
What about the plane crashes?
If the plane crashes, I'm sure there's safety.
I don't think so.
Okay, everyone get out your ticket and scan it on the black thing. Don't
Wait,
forget.
I got out of look at cheese instead.
Right, Ella, Everly, put your suitcase on here. Please click this block. Right, now go to the other side and wait for your suitcase to get. Same with you, Amy.
I just got big red. No, I didn't. I'm just gonna go.
Okay, pick up your suitcase. Right, follow me, okay? We can't lose
I feel
you.
like we're in that car for so long. I got a little taller.
I mean, maybe. And maybe it's just our eyes, I don't know. Oh look, I think I see our plane. I'm sure we were like gate B or something.
Amelia, where are you? Oh, where's the plane for you?
It's not gate B, I don't think. I think we're gonna have to wait at the gate.
No, waited for so long already.
I know, but oh look.
Manager of this crazy.
Oh no. Right. Sit down, girls. Sit down and wait for the pilot to announce when we can board.
I'm gonna go over here. Fine, I'll go here then.
Okay. Oh, look. Oh, I think you got the gate wrong. It's gate C, but come on, guys, we're boarding.
Oh, really? Hey, finally. By the way, how long is this flight? Because I was not told that
It is 3. Oh no, it is 3 hours. Make sure when you're getting in the plane, make a jump. I can't get in the plane.
Okay, I'm in the plane. Oh, wow. Are we in phase 4?
Yeah.
Are we in phase 4?
Maybe they should have moved the plane a bit closer, but yeah. I can't get in the plane. Oh no.
I'm in the plane. Wait, why aren't we in the plane? Am I by myself?
No, we'll get in the plane. We'll get in the plane. Oh my god.
No,
It's not leaving. It's not leaving.
Hurry up.
I can't get in. Hold on. Woo! We're landing, guys.
Yeah, I felt sick. Oh, coughing.
Landed.
Oh, yay, we're nearly there.
Yeah.
Well, I was asleep.
What did you say?
Huh?
Nothing. We're almost there. It's just on the other side of this town.
Okay.
I see a lot of houses.
I haven't. What house is it? How do we even know? I haven't even seen it. Neither.
Okay, let's go. Oh, here it is. We're here.
Oh, wow. Wow, it's so modern. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh, Amelia, I almost forgot Santa's coming in the morning.
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Hey, stop. Don't drive the car.
Amelia, let's go. I'm stuck in the car, guys. I'm stuck in the car.
Oh no. Stop moving. Okay, anyways, after all that drama,
Can we please go in? I'm so tired.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, girls, I hope you are in bed now.
I am.
Okay.
It's quite hard to get sleep because I miss my unicorn.
Well, you've got a pet unicorn to remind you of him.
I guess so. I'm just gonna go sleep now.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
I'll see you tomorrow. I'm gonna be turning off all the lights, so
Oh, okay.
if you need me, you know where I'll be. Okay. Well, good night. Oh, I need to turn my fireplace off. Okay, good night.
Night. And I went from midnight snack. Get angry, it's okay.
Oh my god, what are you doing up in the middle of the night? You know we're
Well,
not allowed to cook.
Well,
Put it back now.
That's what I want to do.
Put it back or you're getting no Christmas presents tomorrow.
No, please, no. Okay, I'll put it back.
Okay, get into bed then.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Now.
Night.
You didn't even do your job by closing the blinds for the night.
Oh, was that my job?
Well, I always gave you that since we moved in.
Did you? I didn't know.
I told you that when we moved in.
Everyone, turn your game volume up. It's more realistic when you walk. It seems like it's
Okay, well, bed now. Good night, and I'll see you on Christmas Day.
You too. It's Christmas. Let me in. It's Christmas.
It's what? It's what?
It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Look at our tree.
Oh, you got some presents. Okay.
Let's go check the other one.
Okay.
Oh, it's dark. I don't like the. Oh my goodness!
Should we check outside to see if Santa?
Yeah. Let's see if the rain
Ooh,
is out.
look!
Wow, it's so.
Look on top of the roof.
Santa's sleigh.
Woo! That looks so cool. Let's open up these blinds. Actually, let's go in the house and we'll get back to
Not
the
the blinds. We need to open the presents.
We'll get back to the YouTube people when we've been showered and ready, okay?
Wait, we can't just open them straight away.
Come on then, open up your presents. Open them up, see what you get. Oh my god, we've got a stalker. Oh my god.
Oh, I got Alicia get Bella.
What's wrong?
I got a unicorn.
You got a unicorn? Wait, you got a unicorn.
Oh no, she doesn't have a unicorn, I don't think. No.
What?
What?
Did Santa deliver you a unicorn?
What?
Did Santa deliver you a unicorn?
No, my unicorn's being babysitted.
Oh.
I'll give it a look.
Okay, well, I think that wraps it up for today's episode. If you guys want to see another episode, please like and subscribe. So yeah, we'll see you guys in my next video.
I got a skip in that.
Bye.